In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view 1099s in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to review these forms for tax purposes or simply to keep track of payments made to contractors, it's crucial to know where and how to access them within your QuickBooks account. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, let's open the QuickBooks website. You'll want to head to the main QuickBooks Online portal using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, let's find where those 1099s are nestled. On the navigation bar to the left, you'll see several options listed. What you want to do is click on Accounting. This section is your go-to hub for managing all financial transactions, including those essential end-of-year forms like the 1099. So, let's make sure you're in the right spot by clicking on Accounting right now. As you enter the accounting section, direct your attention to My Apps. This is where your connected applications and their associated features are displayed, giving you an overview of the tools at your disposal. Click on My Apps. It's a valuable resource within QuickBooks Online that covers various extensions and built-in functionalities. Once inside My Apps, shift your focus to Expenses and Bills. Clicking there will navigate you to a comprehensive area where you can manage and review all your expenditures and financial obligations, including those 1099 forms you're eager to check out. As you're exploring the Expenses and Bills section, you will find a particular segment labeled for Reporting Income and Salaries. This is where the magic happens, specifically tying into those critical forms you're seeking, your 1099s. Here, QuickBooks neatly organizes the information, presenting you with the ability to view the 1099s as required. While you're examining these forms, take note of another useful feature here. QuickBooks allows you to customize the fiscal year, which means you can adjust the time frame to align with your specific business reporting needs. This customization feature is incredibly handy, offering you the flexibility to generate reports for different periods without hassle. Feel free to explore this customization tool as it may come in very handy for future referencing or bookkeeping tasks. Once you have everything set the way you need, that's pretty much all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to and reviewed your 1099s in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining in today as we explored how to easily access 1099 forms within QuickBooks. Understanding how to find these documents will undoubtedly aid in simplifying the process of managing your financial records. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content directly related to optimizing your business practices with QuickBooks.